Best Angle Grinders Review 2018.
Number 5.
Bosch 1375, a lightweight and compact angle grinder. Powerful 6.0 amp motor, 11,000 no-load RPM for professional cutting and grinding applications. 2-position side handle, angled to a natural position for maximum operator comfort.
Number 4.
Black & Decker BDE G400. Metal gear case for durability and longer life. 3-position side handle provides added comfort and control. Spindle lock for easy accessory changes.
Number 3.
DeWalt DWE 402 4.5-inch. Plastic metal. Imported. 11 amp AC/DC 11,000 RPM motor which provides the best power to weight size ratio available. Spindle size 5/8-11 in, 1400 watts, corded power tool.
Number 2.
Speed material with Makita 9557 PBX1. Powerful 7.5 amp motor for high output power and a more compact tool, only 4.5 pounds. Small diameter barrel grip, only 2.5, for added comfort. Lock on-off feature for continuous.
Number 1.
Porter Cable PC60 tag. Imported. 11,000 RPM for high-speed material removal. Durable 6 motor powers through job site tasks with ease. Cast metal gear case increases job site durability and tool longevity.
Thank you for staying with us.